what's going on here, folks. You're looking at some of the fastest pickers in the southern hemisphere. These are the Vanuatuans who come down to Central Otago to harvest, and these guys are fast. And the harvest is underway with a hiss and a roar. Late March, earlier than normal.
This is a great day. This is an absolutely perfect day, and we're very excited. It's the first day of our harvest for 2014. So look, these are absolutely perfect bunches, and they're coming in just where we want them. Brix just under 24, and lovely flavours. Yum.
Now here we are, folks, with a slight change of pace, I'm afraid to say. We're down on the Pinot Gris block a week later with the B team from Wanaka. Not quite the same frenzied pace
Had to work for
of the
it.
Vanuatuans, I'm afraid. Snooth. It's better. This is Terry from France, most experienced picker we've ever had. He's been picking every summer that we've been picking grapes. And just have a look at our morning tea here. So we're picking the flora at the moment. We've only got another row to go. I've only got 5 rows of this flora.
So flora's got nice small berries and a pinky orangey coloured skin. It ripens later than our other varieties, Pinot Noir and Pinot Gris, sort of 1 or 2 weeks later. And we use it to make our special wine that's called Entwined.
Here we go. There's Vicky into it.
Oh, this is the hardest bunch.
Yeah, really difficult bunch.
You painted on them, so you put back up.
And here's oh, there goes Duncan rushing up there. Look at him, speed. There goes old Speedy. Here's Quinn. Hi Quinn. Here's lovely Liz from Luton.
I'm glad I had my hair done. Can't you tell?
So this wraps up our harvest for 2014. It's been a really excellent vintage for us.